we're looking for? Simply by bending this tab up.
Here, look out.
Wait, don't hit it with a hammer.
But
It's a hard drive we're trying to pull out. It's delicate. You have to use care with these things. Like this. So you just put the screwdriver in. Do you have a crowbar over there?
Do you have a crowbar in here?
Yes, we do.
Where is it?
I don't know. I haven't used it since the last time I worked on the computer.
Oh my god.
It's starting to cooperate now. She'll be a good runner when we get her done. I don't cut myself real bad and go to the hospital. I think she's coming apart. Oh, look!
Oh my god!
I think we can have the other drive on it.
Oh my god.
It opens right up like it should. And you just pull it out. There you go.
Oh my god.
It's just a compact disc. That's useless, basically. Nobody wants that.
You can...
Is there screws there? Oh, there is. We could actually use a screwdriver there.
That's what I was trying to tell you first.
Oh, you should have told me. Would have made things a little easier, but heck, we'll get there. We'll get there.
Stop.
What are you trying to do?
Fix it.
I don't think that area needs fixing. There we go, one hard drive. Now we're going to figure out how it plugs in. That's a good hard drive.
I should just...
Or was a good hard drive.
Hey.
Not
It probably
anymore, I'm not
destroyed
sure.
it. What is this?
External
Shut.
hard drive mounting thing, it's got a little fan in there. It's cute. Don't whack it on the glass, you're going to break the glass. Don't whack it on the table and break the glass.
I can use this as a flail, Grandpa.
Who has a flail?
Or a falafel.